Hi friends, welcome to the KIE channel. Knowledge is everything. Uh, Today I will show you what is embedded subprocess and a simple flipchart example explaining about how the embedded subprocess will work and how to execute the embedded subprocess. I'll show you. First of all, what is embedded subprocess? If we see the jBPM documentation, embedded subprocess is nothing but a part of the main process. Like main process will be having n number of nodes, so it will be subprocess of that main process, and it will have 3 to 4 nodes specific to your functionality. If you want to separate the variables also, you can maintain a separate variables for your embedded subprocess as well. In a clear-cut example, suppose a flipchart order is there. Order placement and order processing, both are two different subprocesses. So we can have order placement nodes within the order placement, and other order processing nodes within other order processing nodes as a two different subprocesses. How this looks like, I'll show you in an example. Just log into the Business Central. I have already logged in. Go to the projects. I'll create a project. Embedded subprocess. Just create the project. Go to the project, add an asset, business process, unit 4.2, embedded subprocess. So till now, you people have seen uh, how the script task or how the human user task. Just wait, let it create. Yeah, it has. Now you are able to design. I'm just minimizing the zoom. So think about a flipchart order management. What I'll do, like I'll take embedded subprocess, and I'll take another subprocess, and attach the subprocess to this one and end the flow. So first subprocess is nothing but order placement, and second subprocess is order processing. The difference between normal process and this subprocess, like normal process is having start node and end node. The same like normal process, subprocess also will be having a start node and end node, but you can segregate a particular number of nodes into one group. Here I have splitted order placement as a one group and order processing as one group. So what we'll be doing, like, order placed. After that, for order processing, I'll be giving control to a sales representative whether the particular product is available or not. If the product is available, that product will be shipped. If not, it will prompt to the user like product is not available. So now select script task and go to the gateway, select an exclusive gateway, I have just saved it. Add the lines properly. And here he is the sales representative. After this task I am adding an end, and after this also I am adding an end. So the first one is product available. Second one is product not available. So if you see, the difference between main process and sub process. See, main process is having start node and end node. The same way sub process is also having start node and end node, but as a particular set of nodes is segregated from the main process. Here also a particular set of nodes are segregated from the main process, so that we are differentiating between the two processes. One is order placement and another one is the order processing. And at the same time, sub process can have like any number of end nodes, but sub process should start with a start node. So now let us go ahead and add a process level variable. I'll be adding an order ID which is applicable, which is available throughout your process. Order ID, here give the same name and I'm taking the order ID as the string. So only one process level variable I'm using. The remaining other process level variables which are required for the subprocesses, right? Subprocess section itself contains the process data. So there is an option, you can add the process data here, but in this first one I don't want anything. Directly I'll print the process level data. Order ID is order ID. I have printed the order ID within the script task. Now for the second subprocess, I'll create a sales flag for the sales approver. And which is of type boolean. So if you see that sales flag uh, is not present in the main process data. Main process data is containing only the order ID, whereas this subprocess is containing another subprocess variable, that is sales flag. That sales flag scope is till this subprocess level only. Now go ahead and assign the data output assignments for the human task as the sales flag, because he is the one who is going to decide whether the product is available or not. I'll be selecting the user as WB admin and go to the assignments and click on add and select the sales flag. Sales flag is boolean. And within the user task, for the on entry, I'll be adding a order ID received for user, or else for sales rep, because sales rep is the one who is going to decide whether that particular product is available or not. And here I'll be adding product available. And here we'll be printing product not available. Just add the conditions for the same. The sales rep will be depend upon the sales flag. If sales flag is true, that means product is available. If sales flag is false, product is not available. Select the sales flag is false, then product is not available. That's it, we are good to go. Just save this one. validation is successful. No validations are there. Close this one and deploy this one. Just wait for 1 second. In the backend it will validate it and it will deploy. Build is successful and it has deployed successfully. Now go ahead and go to the process definitions to kickstart the process. Before that, I'll be removing the other containers so that we won't get confused. Other deployment is undeployed successfully. Now go to the process definitions. So this is the diagram for the same. So it has two sub process. One is order placement and another one is order processing. And order processing is having order processing level process variables, sales flag, that is not the main process variable. It is only that variable scope is still this sub process only. And order ID is main process variable. So either the order placement and order processing both can have the access with the order ID. Now just kickstart the process instance, and order ID I'm giving as some 1001, and sales flag human task will give the value. Just submit this one. So the process got started, and if you see, order ID is 1001 and order ID received for sales rep is 1001. That means, I'll explain clearly. So order ID scope is within the order placement as well as the order processing, but sales flag scope is till the order processing level only, because that flag is process data for the order processing subprocess. Now go ahead to the tasks and complete the one. Just I'm selecting the positive scenario, product or like order is available, and just complete this one. And if you see the log, product available got printed. And if you go to the process instances section, go to the completed one, unit 4.2, and this is the diagram. See, the process got started and first subprocess got executed and it has printed the order ID, and within the second process here within the sales rep, that order ID got printed, and at the same time sales flag scope is within the order processing only, and sales rep has said like the product is available, and so that product available route got picked up and the entire process got completed after the order processing is finished. So this is about the embedded subprocess, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.